As a resident of Miami-Dade County, it is your right to know the names and likenesses of sex offenders living in your area. As a public service, we have created this videotape so that you and your friends and family can stay aware, stay safe, and maybe even have a little fun. Enjoy.
Do keep in mind that I'm a sex offender.
Vernon Douglas is my name. My battery arrest is what brought me fame. But there's much more to know about me. I love to dance and I love to ski.
Yeah, I'm riding through the area. In a car that's made of fucking burgers.
Then I'm just a sex offender.
I'm Charles Dolman, dropping rhymes. I've been arrested 7 times. I know that sounds like a lot. 3 of those times were for vandalism. Feel real bad, I got caught. Might do it again, probably not. I'm not here to make pretenses. I'm here because of my sex offenses.
I'm Sam Pound, I'm number 1. Apologizing for what I've done. In case you were wondering what that was,
Offender shuffle.
Here because I'm a sex offender.
Last name Burnholt, first name Mark. I'm moving in somewhere on your block. Not in a house, but in a van. If you need me to move it, I sure can. The last thing I want is any trouble. Learn my lesson from the sex offender shuffle.
Now the wife, she's dead. And they
I'm the one they call Martin Chase. They said I didn't have to show my face, but
I'm not here to pack my duffel up.
State of Florida has asked us to expose our sexual crimes to you. We were bad, but now we're good. We're moving into your neighborhood. We're obliged to admit the crimes for which we were convicted. We're not here to start no trouble. We're leaving your body to the sex offender shuffle.